Hello, welcome to TVC News Update. We're staying with the news from the nation's capital, where the Supreme Court earlier today ordered that the old Naira notes must remain in circulation until December the 31st, 2023. The Apex Court ordered the Central Bank of Nigeria to allow both old Naira notes and the new notes to circulate side by side until the end of the year. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area has details.
The Supreme Court has invalidated all directives issued by President Muhammadu Buhari in respect to the Naira redesign and circulation on the grounds that they are illegal and an abuse of executive powers. The Apex Court took a swipe at President Buhari for disobeying its interim order of 8 February to the effect that the old Naira is allowed to be in circulation. Justice Emmanuel Alguem held that the President exhibited and took the disobedience to the highest peak with his broadcast on February 16, in which he allowed only 200 Naira notes alone. The court held that the President acted ultra-vires by his glaring failure to consult with the National Council of States, the Federal Executive Council, and the National Economic Council, before directing the Central Bank of Nigeria to unlawfully introduce the new Naira notes. The unconstitutional use of power by President Buhari on Naira redesign, it says, has breached the fundamental rights of Nigerian citizens in various ways. The Apex Court said such use of power by President Muhammadu Buhari is not permitted under democracy and in a plural society like the Nigerian nation. Amongst others, the Supreme Court held that the unlawful use of executive power by the President inflicted unprecedented economic hardship on the citizens by denying them ownership of their monies and access to the money.
Victory for Nigerians, because this policy, which was designed and targeted at a political party and its candidates, has brought untold hardship on our people. This is why the three of us took a decision to come to the Supreme Court.
This particular decision today has proven that Nigerian law is a respecter of no one, including Mr. President. Nobody can take the laws for granted.
Many people have been challenging us that because we have huge amount of money that we put in our houses, that's why we come to court. But you know it is not true, because like myself, I challenge EFCC that they should go to any of my property and boggle it and take any money that they have seen in my houses.
The Supreme Court in its findings dismissed a preliminary objection made by the Attorney General of the Federation, Bayelsa State and Edo State. The court held that the President cannot unilaterally make such decisions without consulting with his cabinet. The court also found that the disobedience of President Muhammadu Buhari is a sign of dictatorship. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.